Creating stunning makeup looks, it's easier than you think. You might feel overwhelmed by all the products and techniques out there. Many people think achieving beautiful makeup is difficult. They see all the products and feel like they need to be an expert. They worry about getting it perfect. But don't be scared. The truth is, practice makes perfect. Makeup is fun and easy. It's all about experimenting and finding what works for you. With a few simple steps, anyone can achieve a festive look. Start with basic techniques and build your skills over time. You don't need to be a professional. Everyday tools can be just as effective as high-end ones. Just relax and enjoy the process. Take your time and have fun with it. Remember, makeup is about expressing yourself. It's a form of self-care and creativity. Have fun and try new things. Don't be afraid to experiment with different looks and techniques. You are beautiful, with or without makeup. Embrace your natural beauty and use makeup to enhance it, not hide it. Want to brighten your eyes? Make them look bigger. Eye makeup can do that. Even a little bit of color can make a big difference. Eye makeup highlights your eyes. It makes them stand out. You can create so many different looks, from natural to dramatic. You don't need a lot of products. Just a few basics to get started. Here's what you need. Eyeshadow. Choose neutral colors, like brown and beige. Eyeliner, black or brown, is perfect for beginners. Mascara makes your lashes longer and thicker. Brushes. A small brush for eyeshadow and an angled brush for eyeliner. Section 4. Easy eye looks for every day. In this section, we'll guide you through creating a beautiful, effortless eye look that you can wear every day, whether you're heading to work, running errands, or meeting friends. Let's start with a simple, everyday look that enhances your natural beauty without taking too much time. First, apply a light beige eyeshadow all over your eyelid. This will create a smooth, even base and brighten up your eyes. Next, draw a thin line along your upper lash line with waterproof eyeliner. This step defines your eyes and ensures your makeup stays put, even if you're at the beach. Then, apply 1 or 2 coats of waterproof mascara to your top and bottom lashes. This will open up your eyes and keep them looking fresh, no matter the weather. Don't forget to apply a good sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. For a complete look, style your hair into effortless beach waves. This will give you a relaxed, sun-kissed appearance, perfect for any occasion. That's it. Easy, right? With just a few simple steps, you can achieve a fresh and natural eye look, perfect for any occasion. Who does secret weapon? The spoon trick. This is a game changer for perfect winged eyeliner. Use a spoon. Hold the handle against the outer corner of your eye for a sharp, clean line. Use the straight edge to draw the wing, then flip it for a smooth, curved line. Practice makes perfect. You'll be amazed at how easy it is. Give it a try.